Welcome back. In this video, we are going to link Google Earth Engine with Google Cloud. This is the foundation of our WebGIS architecture, so let's dive in. First, open the Google Cloud console, click on the project drop-down and select New Project. I am naming this one Climate Tech. Notice the project ID generated below the name. Make sure to note this down as we are going to use this later in our Python backend and deployment configuration. Click Create, and now we have the cloud environment ready. Now let's connect Google Earth Engine with Google Cloud Project. Go to the Google Earth Engine website. And select I am authorized for an existing cloud project. From the list, pick the Climate Tech project we just created. Once selected, click Enable Earth Engine API. Enabling this API connects our cloud project with Earth Engine. From here on, our Python environment will automatically use this project to manage all our Earth Engine requests. Next, we need to register the project for use. On the Earth Engine page, click Register the project. If you are using this for learning, select See if you are eligible for non-commercial use and click Get Started. Fill in your organization and use case details. And check eligibility. For this plan, select Community. This is perfect for development and low-level computation. Under Describe your work, you can select Mitigation, Adaptation, Protection or Conservation. Then briefly describe your specific application. Then review the summary you just filled out. Click Register. And that's it. You have successfully registered your Earth Engine Cloud project. In the next video, we will move on to setting up our local development environment. Stay tuned and happy mapping.